Hi boys and girls, Miss Gorman here with Packet 6 Overview. So this week's packet, of course, has our superheroes on it, and the reading looks like this. It is called What is a Line? And it is talking about different lines you can make on paper. They're straight, curved, thick, thin, zigzag, wavy. It's kind of a cool piece. After the reading, there are questions to think about, they're comprehension questions. So they're having you connect with the text and infer, look at the text, find your evidence in the text. And I see right here on the pages, it is saying, support your answer with evidence from the text. So that means you have to actually go back and look at the text and find ways that the text supports your answer. The writing prompt this week is write about a time you were afraid of something. How did you overcome this fear? If you haven't overcome the fear yet, what are some things you can try to overcome the fear? If it's something like being afraid of the dark, what is something you can do to help you overcome that fear? If it's spiders, what is something you can do to overcome that fear? Or is there a situation when you didn't feel so afraid anymore? So write about that. It's kind of a personal narrative, so remember details, quotation marks, quotes are awesome. Details, being descriptive using your adjectives. Make sure you're using capital letters and punctuation at the end of your sentences. I'm still seeing people who are turning in packets not having periods at the end of the sentences or having lowercase letters, and I see no capital letters anywhere, even at the beginning of the sentences or names. So make sure you're using those. There's this week. It is greater than, less than, or equal to multiplication. So you need to solve both sides and then put if they're greater than, less than, or equal to. And then there is this coloring book. So this was kind of put in the middle here. It kind of goes through different careers that you could have. And so you can read and color those. That could help you a little bit if you want to talk about what you want to be when you grow up. So it's talking about draw a picture and write something, a sentence to describe your favorite career. And then there's this page. So it's talking about, is it a multiplication or division sign? So this is checking your knowledge of different of multiplication and division. So you have to think about what goes in the box. Would it be multiplication? Would it be division? And then there's this page, how many rows, columns. So remember, rows go this way, columns go this way. What else do we got here? And then we have some math resources. So if you are have a tablet, you can scan these and you can use them. And then for social studies, there is Michigan products and natural resources. So there's a Michigan product and then the natural resources needed to make the product. So it goes through that. And then it's talking about how geography and economics work together to help you. And then it wants you to go back through and just copy down natural resources needed to create the different products. And then for science, they're talking about air and sound traveling through the air, talking about whales, and then lizards and bullfrogs. So it's kind of sideways on my computer, but it's talking about lizards, and then it's asking you questions here at the bottom again to connect with the text. Finally, there's an insects word search and draw a picture of a butterfly in the box. And then asking you, what makes me happy today? I'm kind of interested to see this page. I hope that was helpful. I will be posting videos about reading and reading, writing, and math this week. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. We are going to be having a Zoom work session on Friday at 3 if you would like to bring your packet to that. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.